Friends, today is World's Water Day. Water is important for all the plants, animals, birds, and human beings. We get water from river, ponds, lake, well, ocean. We need water to drink, cleaning utensils, clothes, and house, bathing, cooking. 71% of earth covers with water, but only 3% water is fresh to drink. Millions of people don't even have access to fresh water. We must save water. Close the tap while brushing our teeth or shaving, and we should instead use cup while brushing. We should close the tap tightly, and we should only use washing machine when it is full. We must take bath less than 10 minutes to protect our water.
Please share, like and subscribe my channel.